Learn Gujarati fast. Daily time phrases from English to
Gujarati.
Welcome to your Gujarati time adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati time phrases without falling asleep on your dictionary. We will keep it light, practical, and just silly enough to stick in your memory. Imagine your calendar has become a dramatic movie star. It flips its pages and whispers, "Today we study survival phrases." Your mission is simple. Learn how to say when you meet, work, stay home, have time, and visit friends. By the end, you will be able to say,
અમે 8 વાગ્યે મળીએ છીએ. હું મંગળવારે કામ કરું છું. હું આજે સાંજે ઘરે છું. આવતીકાલે સવારે મારી પાસે સમય છે.
and
હું સપ્તાહના અંતે મિત્રોને મળવા જાઉં છું.
Not bad for a few minutes with a very chatty audiobook. The clock that demands punctuality. Let's start with a phrase that sounds organized, responsible, and slightly more impressive than most of us feel before coffee. The phrase is,
અમે 8 વાગ્યે મળીએ છીએ.
It means, we meet at 8 o'clock. Break it up in your mind.
અમે
Means we.
8 વાગ્યે
Means at 8 o'clock, and
મળીએ છીએ.
means meet. Now picture two clocks shaking hands exactly at 8. Ridiculous? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. They proudly announce.
અમે 8 વાગ્યે મળીએ છીએ.
Mini dialogue. A. When do we meet? B.
અમે 8 વાગ્યે મળીએ છીએ.
Say it once more, like the most reliable person in town.
અમે 8 વાગ્યે મળીએ છીએ.
Tuesday is not negotiating. Now let's visit Tuesday, a day that often arrives with work, determination, and maybe a suspicious amount of email. Here is your next phrase.
હું મંગળવારે કામ કરું છું.
It means, I work on Tuesday. Key pieces.
હું
Is I.
મંગળવારે
Is on Tuesday, and
કામ કરું છું.
is work or am working. Imagine your coffee asking, big plans for Tuesday? And you answer with tragic hero energy.
હું મંગળવારે કામ કરું છું.
Mini dialogue. A. What do you do on Tuesday? B.
હું મંગળવારે કામ કરું છું.
One more time. Point at an imaginary calendar and say it.
હું મંગળવારે કામ કરું છું.
Tonight the sofa wins. Excellent. Now we move to one of the greatest human achievements, deciding to stay home in the evening. Say this.
હું આજે સાંજે ઘરે છું.
It means, I am at home this evening. Useful parts.
આજે
Means today.
સાંજે
Means in the evening.
ઘરે
Means at home, and
છું.
means am. Picture your shoes looking excited for an evening out. Then you gently disappoint them and say,
હું આજે સાંજે ઘરે છું.
Mini dialogue. Friend, are you going out tonight? You. No.
હું આજે સાંજે ઘરે છું.
Repeat it slowly, like someone holding tea and a blanket.
હું આજે સાંજે ઘરે છું.
Tomorrow morning looks surprisingly free. Ready for a phrase that feels like a gift from the universe? Free time in the morning. Amazing, rare, possibly mythical. Your next sentence is,
આવતીકાલે સવારે મારી પાસે સમય છે.
It means, tomorrow morning I have time. Listen for the building blocks.
આવતીકાલે
Is tomorrow.
સવારે
Is in the morning.
મારી પાસે
Is I have or literally with me, and
સમય છે.
is there is time. Imagine opening your planner, expecting chaos, and instead hearing heavenly music while you say,
આવતીકાલે સવારે મારી પાસે સમય છે.
Mini dialogue. A. Are you free tomorrow morning? B. Yes.
આવતીકાલે સવારે મારી પાસે સમય છે.
Say it again with relief.
આવતીકાલે સવારે મારી પાસે સમય છે.
Weekend mission, friends. And now, the social reward after all that scheduling. The weekend arrives, and suddenly everybody remembers friendship and snacks. Here is the full phrase.
હું સપ્તાહના અંતે મિત્રોને મળવા જાઉં છું.
It means, on weekends I visit friends. Catch the key words.
સપ્તાહના અંતે.
Means on weekends or at the end of the week.
મિત્રો.
Means friends, and
મળવા જાઉં છું.
means go to meet or visit. Picture a Saturday calendar page opening like a door, and behind it your friends are waving dramatically. You smile and say,
હું સપ્તાહના અંતે મિત્રોને મળવા જાઉં છું.
Mini dialogue. A. What do you do on weekends? B.
હું સપ્તાહના અંતે મિત્રોને મળવા જાઉં છું.
One more cheerful repetition.
હું સપ્તાહના અંતે મિત્રોને મળવા જાઉં છું.
Quick review challenge. Let's see if these phrases are now living happily inside your brain instead of hiding behind grammar panic. How do you say, we meet at 8 o'clock?
અમે 8 વાગ્યે મળીએ છીએ.
How do you say, I work on Tuesday?
હું મંગળવારે કામ કરું છું.
How do you say, I am at home this evening?
હું આજે સાંજે ઘરે છું.
How do you say, tomorrow morning I have time?
આવતીકાલે સવારે મારી પાસે સમય છે.
How do you say, on weekends I visit friends?
હું સપ્તાહના અંતે મિત્રોને મળવા જાઉં છું.
If you got even part of those right, that is real progress. If you got all of them right, please do not become smug in front of your calendar. Friendly goodbye. You did it. You just learned useful Gujarati phrases for time, routine, and social plans. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing out loud.
અમે 8 વાગ્યે મળીએ છીએ. હું મંગળવારે કામ કરું છું. હું આજે સાંજે ઘરે છું. આવતીકાલે સવારે મારી પાસે સમય છે.
And
હું સપ્તાહના અંતે મિત્રોને મળવા જાઉં છું.
Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and let your Gujarati grow one funny sentence at a time.